Welcome to this tutorial on how to check profit and loss on Moomoo. First, you will need to open the Moomoo app on your device and log into your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the main dashboard where you can see your portfolio and market data. To view your profit and loss, look for the Portfolio tab, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Click on it to access your investments. Here, you will find a summary of your holdings, including the current market value, your initial purchase price, and the overall profit or loss for each position you own. If you want to see detailed information, tap on a specific stock in your portfolio. This will bring up a more comprehensive view of your investment, showing you real-time performance, historical data, and your total profit or loss for that stock. Take note of any important metrics that can help you assess your investments more effectively. Finally, for a complete overview of your total profit and loss across all investments, navigate to the Account or My Assets section. There, you can find aggregated data that summarizes your performance, including realized and unrealized gains. This will enable you to better understand your overall financial standing and make informed investment decisions.